Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. So first is we need to click on the Start button, go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update and make sure that you are running the latest version of your operating system. So check for updates as this will also download and install the latest updates for your Windows. Now once you're updated, simply close out of here and then you need to try again installing the Visual Studio or continue with the installation process for the Visual Studio. Then for the next method is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then we can temporarily disable that because that might block or interrupt the process or the installation process or the application to be installed. So click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar and here you'll find that I am using the Malwarebytes. So what we can do is simply make a right click and you have to select quit Malwarebytes. So once you have disabled or temporarily disabled the antivirus, then try installing the Visual Studio again. Now, we can also run the System File Checker Scan or the SFC Scan in the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in the block window command prompt, type here this command, SFC /scan now. Hit Enter. So this is the SFC /scan. Now this is the System File Checker Scan. This will fix for any corrupted system files and also check for any integrity violation. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it but do not close the window. And once the process has been 100% completed, you'll receive a message after that and then you just need to simply type exit or you can close the window. And then finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, just continue the installation process for the Visual Studio. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.